Right, hi, Eric Stromquist at the IBCon 2015 Product Showcase. I am here with Bob Mealey, one of the partners from Lynxspring. Bob, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us, buddy.
No problem.
So for our listeners who might not know, Lynxspring has an incredible building automation control line, and I know you guys are well known for that, but at the show, one of the things we're hearing is people talking about cybersecurity. People are very, very concerned about people getting into their networks through the building automation control system.
Yeah, that's a big concern of people, and you know, we see a lot of organizations using an IT approach to prevent attacks on cybersecurity, and that's a good thing to do. But cybersecurity is a layered approach. So what we've come up with is something that's very unique for contractor access. So what we have is a product called CyberPro. It's a three-part system, and it provides a highly secure way for contractors and service people out on the public internet to access devices behind a firewall. The interesting thing is, it doesn't matter what those devices are as long as they have an IP address. So they can be HVAC related, lighting related, digital signage, large pieces of equipment, or almost any IP addressable device. So, and one of the nice things about it, we provide a highly secured, double authentication, encrypted tunnel, and it provides a very narrow view of the device behind the firewall. We call that intensive rather than extensive access to the network. In other words, you only see, the user only sees the devices that they're authorized to see, and unlike a VPN, they get a wide view of the network. You only see the devices you're concerned about. So it's very restrictive in terms of how you access the service folks access the devices.
It's a very, very clever product. As a matter of fact, you guys won the 2014 Controltrends Innovative Product of the Year at the Controltrends Awards. And you know, one of the things we sat in through 4 hours of cybersecurity yesterday with some of the top security experts on the planet, including the FBI and Homeland Security, as well as some of the top real estate property owners. And one of the trends that came out of that I picked up, Bob, is the real estate people are saying there's going to be more and more IP devices are going to be added to the network every day. That's not going to go away, and the cyber hackers are not going to go away either. So it becomes very, very imperative to come up with a strategy, if you will, to protect your building, your data.
Right.
And your guys is kind of unique because it seems like it's non-intrusive. You mentioned that the IT people typically buy into it, they like it, they're comfortable with it, but you don't necessarily have to incorporate the expense of working with IT.
No, you don't. There's no changes to their routers. They don't have to add any new names. They're not giving people third-party access to their internal systems. They just set up this device, put on the device the IP addresses of the set up the CyberPro, put on there the IP addresses that they want access to, and that's it. And one thing too is it's designed for operational technology or the control system. Unlike a lot of the systems that we're talking about the last couple of days, which are big security, IT related, this is designed to work with these older legacy systems and give secure access to those devices without burdening the IT people with all kinds of extra effort and concern about you know, people getting released or fired or moving positions out in their service contractor world. They don't know who they are. It doesn't matter anymore because this thing controls everything.
It's really cool stuff. Bob, how do people find out more about this product?
Well, we've got two websites, www.lynxspring.com and www.lynxcyberpro.com. And they can go to either one of those or call us at 816-347-3500.
And if you're in Georgia or Florida, you can contact Stromquist.com because we handle that product. We're proud partners of Lynxspring. All right, so on a serious note here, before we sign off here, so is it true that Mark Peacock taught Mick Jagger how to dance?
He taught James Brown how to dance.
There you go. Thanks, Bob. Appreciate it.
Okay.